dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. This is Nisha Dee. Dear students, open your EVS book and the name of the book is The Greenhouse. Dear students, open chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is More About Animals. In the previous AV assignments, I already explained you about the animals. We see many type of animals around us. Some animals are big and some are small. Some animals live on the land and some are live in the water. I already explained you about the body parts of pet. Just like our body has different parts, our pets also have different body parts. I also explain you how animals move. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Different animals move in different ways. Like four-legged animals move on their legs. They use their legs to move from one place to another place. Dogs, cats, cows, sheep, goat, horse, lion and tiger walk and run with their legs. Same like birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Fish and earthworms, fish swim in water using their fins. Snakes, snails and earthworms crawl along the ground. I also explain you about the animals eat food. Different animals eat different type of foods. Some animals are plant eating animals and some are flesh eating animals. Cow, sheep, buffaloes, goat, elephant, giraffe and deer are the plant eating animals. They eat leaves, stem and other part of the plant. Lion, leopard, wolves, tiger and eagles eat the flesh of other animals. They are known as the flesh eating animals. I also explain you how the animals grow. Animal babies grow into adult animals. Same, like for example, kitten grows into cat, puppies grow into dog. So now today I will explain you the lifestyle or life circle of a butterfly. Let's start reading. Butterflies are beautiful insects with colorful wings. A butterfly is born as a very different looking insect. It hatches out of an egg as a caterpillar and then passes through different stages to become a butterfly. The process of growth from an egg to a butterfly is known as the life cycle of a butterfly. So butterfly क्या होती है? Butterflies are the beautiful insect with colorful wings. तो butterfly एक बहुत ही beautiful insect है जो कि बहुत ही colorful होता है. Look at this. Butterfly is a very colorful and beautiful insect. A butterfly born as a very different looking insect. तो butterfly बहुत ही different look का insect है जब वो born करता है. तो butterfly कैसे born करती है? In a egg. Same like जैसे caterpillar होता है ना, वैसे वो एक egg से born करती है and different stages से होकर वो grow करके butterfly बनती है. So look at this picture. Here a butterfly lays egg. तो पहले जो butterfly होती है वो एक egg lay करती है. Then the egg hatches into a caterpillar. तो जो butterfly का egg होता है वो क्या एक caterpillar के रूप में बन जाता है. The caterpillar sheds its skin and becomes a pups. तो जो caterpillar होता है वो अपनी skin उतारता है एक pup के रूप में आ जाता है. The pups डिवेल्प इनटू अ बटरफ्लाई। तो जो वो पप होता है वो एक बटरफ्लाई, जब वो आगे ग्रो करता है तो वो एक बटरफ्लाई बन जाता है। सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ फ्रॉम एन एग टू अ बटरफ्लाई इज़ नोन एज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई। नेक्स्ट, एनिमल्स, shelters and habitats. Animals live on land, under the ground, on trees and in water. We see many types of animals around us. Some animals live on land, some live under the ground, some live on trees and some live in the water. सो हम अपने नियर बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को देखते हैं। तो सम एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो लैंड पे लिव करते हैं, सम अंडर द ग्राउंड लिव करते हैं, सम एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो ट्रीज़ पे लिव करते हैं एंड सम आर लिव इन वाटर। अ प्लेस ऑफ शेल्टर ऑफ एन एनिमल और एन नेचुरल environment of an animal is known as its habitat. तो जहाँ पे जो एनिमल्स लिव करते हैं ना, उनका जो शेल्टर होता है या नेचुरल जो इन्वायरमेंट होता है वो एनिमल का, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इट्स हैबिटेट। डॉग्स, कैट्स, काउस, हॉर्सेस, lions, tigers, elephants, wolves, giraffes and deers are land animals. So what are the land animals? The animals who live on the land, they are known as the land animals. Some examples of land animals are dogs, cats, cows, horses, lions, tigers, elephants, wolves, giraffe and deer. They are known as the land animals. Small animals such as earthworms and moles live in holes under the ground. So जो बहुत ही स्मॉल एनिमल्स होते हैं लाइक अर्थवर्म एंड मॉल्स, दे आर लिव इन होल्स अंडर द ग्राउंड. तो वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? ग्राउंड के अंदर होल होता है तो वो उसमें रहते हैं. व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड एनिमल्स? earthworm and moles, and snake is also live in the hole. Birds, monkeys and squirrels live on trees. So examples of the animal who live on the trees are birds, monkeys and squirrels. तो trees पे कौन से animals रहते हैं? Birds, monkeys and squirrels. Fish, whale, dolphin, shark and octopuses are some water animals. So what are the water animals? The animals live in water are known as the water animals, and the examples of water animals are fish, whale, dolphin, shark and octopus. Some animals such as frogs and crocodile can live both on land and in water. So there are some animals, they live बोथ ऑन लैंड एंड इन वाटर. तो सम जो एनिमल्स हैं वो दोनों ही जगह पे रहते हैं, ऑन द लैंड एंड इन द वाटर. तो वो लैंड पे भी रहते हैं और वाटर में भी रहते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर एनिमल्स? आर frog and crocodile. So frog and crocodile can live both on land and in water. So that's all about today's lecture. Now I will explain you the back exercise. Fill in the blanks. A dash has 4 legs. We have 2 options here: dog, birds. Who has 4 legs? Dog or birds? Which is the correct answer? Yes, dog. A dog has 4 legs. So write here dog. Next is dogs live in dash. We have options: stables or kennels. Yes, dog live in kennels. Dogs live in kennels. Next is dash has 2 legs to walk and wings to fly. And we have options: birds, giraffe. So which is the correct answer? तो कौन सा ऐसा इनमें से हमने ये सिलेक्ट करना है कि किस एनिमल की 2 लेग्स होती हैं चलने के लिए और फ्लाई करने के लिए विंग्स होते हैं। जिराफ, नो। Yes, the correct answer is birds. Birds have 2 legs to walk and wings to fly. So right here, birds. Next is fish swim with the help of their fill up, and we have options fins, gills. So, and the correct answer is fins. Fish swim with the help of their fins. Next is the life cycle of a butterfly starts from the dash, pups or egg stage. Yes, the lifestyle of a butterfly starts from the egg. So right here, egg. I think the concept is clear. Do this work on your book, page number 101. Thank you. Have a nice day.